Now let's look at the PMT function. This function calculates the payments for a loan with a fixed interest rate and fixed payment periods. Some of the applications for these functions are to calculate payments for a fixed mortgage or a home loan or a vehicle loan or student's study loan. The syntax for this function, PMT function, is rate, NPER, PV as required arguments, and FV and type are optional arguments. So, like we saw in the last topic, rate is the interest rate for the loan, NPER is required argument, that is the total number of periods or payments for the loan. PV is also required argument, which is the present value. It is also known as the principal. Then FV is optional argument. This is the future value or cash balance to be attained after the last payment is made. If FV is omitted, it is assumed to be 0, that is the future value of loan is 0. Then type argument, that is also an optional argument. It indicates when payments are due. If it is 0 if payments are due at the end of period, or it is 1 if payments are due at the beginning of period. If omitted, it is assumed to be 0. Now let's see an example for this. So here we need to find the monthly payments for a 5-year home loan for 10,000 with a fixed 9% interest rate. Payments are made at the beginning of period. Now remember, here is we need to find the monthly payments. Okay, so rate of interest is 9%. Then number of payments is for 5 years we want, so that will be equal to 5 years time 12 months, that is 60 months. Then we want a loan of 10,000, so we'll put 10,000, and it is the cash inflow, so we'll put it positive. Then future value, we have nothing, so we'll put 0 or omit it. And type also, it is made at the beginning of period. It is beginning of period, it is 1, so we'll have to put 1 here. Okay, so now let's enter our function, that is equal to, and we want PMT function, payment function. Okay, and here we want rate is 9%, but we need to divide this by 12 because the payments are monthly. Then we have NPER, that is 60, number of period is 60, which is already in months. PV is 10,000. Then future value of this loan is 0, and the payment is made at the beginning of period, that is 1. So we'll close the parenthesis and enter, and here we need to pay 206.04 per month for 5 years for this home loan.